So guys, we have our sample project on. Let's say we want to highlight only the red color in this video clip. For that, select the video clip, Effects, Add Effect, tab on Search, search for Spot Color. Standard Settings, tab on the color box, then the eyedropper tool. Now tab, hold, drag, select the color you want to highlight. Now at first increase the feather, then the threshold, lastly to refine the output we can play with the choke parameter, and we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can use color isolation or selective color effect in Alight Motion. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.